Hey guys, as you can see on the thumbnail, AI Diagnostic Wizard, Appliance Tech Pro 2. The goal of Appliance Tech Pro 2 is to be the wizard that you need when troubleshooting, diagnosing, and repairing appliances. Now, I will read it verbatim here in a second, but our goal is when you put a question into, I'll call Appliance Tech Pro 2 from now on ATP 2. So ATP2, when a technician puts in a question, whatever it is, refrigerator, washer, dryer, stove, oven, dishwasher, it will give you step by step how to solve that problem and what to do from there. So let me show you exactly what this AI will do for you. All right, so this thumbnail is going to explain it a little bit better in detail. So here's what it does. When technicians input appliance symptoms, the AI guides them through a step-by-step troubleshooting process, suggesting likely causes and solutions. It learns from user feedback, continually improving its accuracy. So what we will be doing is, as we add more features, as we grow this AI, it will get better and better. Now, I have been trying this AI for about 2 or 3 months. It does an awesome job, but anything and everything can be improved upon. So as for those of you that jump on board or come on board with us, we will be asking you feedback throughout the process to improve this AI to as accurate as we possibly can. So now you have an idea of what it does and what its purpose is. So again, hopefully that clarifies for those of you that are still on the fence or a little bit unsure what exactly and how this AI can help you. Let me say this. I've been in this business. February of next year will be 17 years. Love it. Always have. And for those of you that are thinking about it, you should come on board. Here's the deal. When I started 17 years ago, of course, nothing like this was around, or we couldn't get any help except for physical schools or online courses. For those of you guys that don't have the time or the money to do that, this is a game changer. So like I just said, for those of you that do come on board, we are looking for feedback from students so we can improve this AI more and more. For those of you that are a little bit nervous about even making your first service call, then you can learn what you need to know right from the comfort of your home, on your cell phone, iPad, or computer. I can tell you without hesitation, you can literally know with about 90 to 95% of what's wrong with that appliance when you go to make that house call if you follow this AI. Then once you find the problem, then you can solve it just as easy. So again, this is some of just a few of the features that the Appliance Tech Pro 2 AI will provide for you. Always be learning, be blessed.